Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot for marketing. So let's get right into it. Now, you can use HubSpot for marketing in a couple of different ways. One of the ways, which I like to do, but it is not included in the HubSpot default tools, it is more of a customizable thing that you can do. You can create a website or a web page on your HubSpot account, and through that, you can then go ahead and actually market your own things through your own site. You can also add ads to that site and do a couple of different things, and that is useful for marketing. However, if you're trying to use direct functionalities within HubSpot, not that websites aren't a direct function, but these are more direct that you can do from your dashboard. You can set up marketing campaigns as well as newsletters. If you go here, as you can see under marketing, you have campaigns, which I cannot access since they do require a paid subscription, which I do not have, so I'm just going to skip over this. But I do recommend, if you have a paid subscription, to check it out. That could help you set up your entire marketing campaign. You can also check social marketing here as well. That is also under a subscription, and you can also manage your ads, manage your events, and create forms, which you can use for lead generation as well as getting contact information for newsletters, etc., etc. Now, once you create a form and embedded, I do have other tutorials on how you can create forms. Check them out. But once you do that, you can then go into email and create a newsletter. You can create a newsletter or a blog. If you go to create an email, you can create a regular one or a blog. You can also create automated. However, you do need a paid subscription for this. And I'll just select regular, since that is how I'm going to be selecting my newsletter. Then go and select a newsletter template if you want, or create one from scratch. I'll select this one, which is the only free one. You can use the paid one as well if you would like. And then once you're done with that, you can start managing your newsletter. Now here, you can use this window to the left to manage the design and the elements. And once you change everything here, you need to go into settings. And in here, you need to set up a subject line. I'll just name it Test 54 because I can. You can add an international email name if you want to. I'm not going to do so. You can also add some preview text, and you can set this address to be your reply to address. And you do need to set your office location, which I do not have, but this is mandatory to review and send. Now you can send it or schedule it, send it to whichever recipients you want. Make sure that you don't send to unengaged contacts if you want to, and then select list or contacts not to send to if they have withdrawn consent for contacting them. Now you can schedule it for now, or you can schedule it for later. I like to send it out now. Then you can review and send. As you can see, I need the company name and address to review this and send it for legal compliance. However, I won't be sending it, so you can just click review and send. And once you have all the settings set up, then you can go ahead and send it to your contacts. And that's pretty much the main way you can do marketing in HubSpot. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.